Mario, Luigi, thank you for defeating Bowser. Now the Mushroom Kingdom is safe and peaceful once more.
It was nothing.
It was no problem.
Anything about a princess.
I'm glad to hear that, Mario. I have something for you. Toad, hand the question block to Mario. Here you go!
Oh, it's
very nice.
yes, very nice.
Now that Bowser's defeated, I think you guys needed something to do. Isn't it perfect?
Yes.
Yes, of course we want to be a plumber.
Why wouldn't we be anything else?
I'll have Toad show you around and answer any questions. Thank you for everything. Follow me. The toilet needs to be fixed.
What's wrong with the toilet?
It's clogged.
Clogged? But I thought you guys were fungi.
Yeah.
Then how do you, never mind.
It's one of those little red guys.
Yeah, it's the little red guys that come out of the block.
Yes, and they run away to do this.
Yeah, into the abyss.
Thank goodness. The Mushroom Kingdom was starting to get really tired of those large green pipes.
You mean, the power-ups for making the, bigger green pipes?
Yes. Don't run around until they make something larger. You know, this wasn't a problem until you two showed up. But I'm sure that there's no correlation.
Yeah, there's no correlation.
It definitely wasn't us! Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
We would never let those little red guys run off into the abyss.
Would you look at the time?
Yes, we better get it going.
The toilet's a fixed! Then a piece to call me!
Thanks, Mario, but our princess is not.
Screw you!